What is the bonfire night? Guy Fawkes Night, also known as Guy Fawkes Day, Bonfire Night, and Fireworks Night, is an annual commemoration observed on November the 5th, primarily in Great Britain, involving bonfires and firework displays.
Its history begins with the events of November 5, 1605, when Guy Fawkes, who participated in the gunpowder plot, was arrested while guarding explosives that the plotted had placed beneath the House of Lords. The Catholic plotters had a need to assassinate Protestant King James I.
Celebrating that the king had survived, people lit bonfires around London, and months later, the observance of November 5 Act enforced an annual public day of thanksgiving for the plot's failure.
What day is Bonfire Night celebrated? It is in the evening of November 5th.
Where is Bonfire Night celebrated? Celebrations are held throughout Great Britain, in some non-Catholic communities in Northern Ireland, and in some other parts of the Commonwealth. In many areas of the UK, celebrations also feature fun fest, family entertainment, and special food and drinks.
Who was Guy Fawkes? Guy Fawkes was an English conspiration in the 17th century gunpowder plot, an successful plan to blow up Westminster Palace with King James I and Parliament inside. He joined in this plot and retaliation for James's increased persecution of Roman Catholics.
What is the Guy Fawkes rhyme? Remember, remember the 5th of November. Gunpowder, treason and blood. I see no reason why gunpowder treason should ever be forgot.
Guy Fawkes, it was a intent to blow up the king and the parliament. Their score barrels of powder belong for all England to overthrow.
By God's providence he was cast, with a dark lantern and burning match. Holler boys, let the bells ring. Holler boys, God save the king. What are the traditions of this festivity? In general, Bonfire Night sees participants parade wearing costumes and using fireworks, often sparklers and flaming torches. The event often culminates around a large bonfire and a beautiful fireworks display.
What is the traditional food? Traditional Guy Fawkes Night food includes delicious hot dogs made using meaty sausages and topped with loads of fried onions, tomato ketchup, and hot mustard. Bonfire bangers are an essential on the bonfire food list.
Bonfire Night activities. Fireworks in a jar. Make bonfire toffee. Bake bonfire cupcakes. Straw sparklers and chocolate finger sparklers. Bonfire rockets.